Hey fam, welcome back to the kitchen with Miss Jonesy. Yes fam, how's everybody doing today? Good, cause I am back. So I want to show you guys this easy collard green stir fry recipe. I don't know, just come on in the kitchen. So first thing I did was braid my pan. I'm gonna add me a little olive oil. Just enough to saute my bell peppers and onions. Yes, you guys. My bell pepper and onions. We're going to let that get a little hotter. And I'm going to season my onions up a little bit. As soon as I get it open, you guys, just like that. With a little Jamaican seasoning, right? Jerk cheese seasoning. Just gonna sprinkle that on the onions. Little garlic salt. Now, this is what we need, right? So we're gonna do that up right quick, and we're gonna flop them on in the pan. Now, that's the first thing I'm gonna do, right? Cause this is a one-pan meal. Now this is keto friendly because I wanted to make a collard green wrap, but I decided on this to make a stir fry because it's easier, right? And we got all the same ingredients. If this is your first time viewing me, by all means hit that thumbs up because I'm showing you a very great recipe. On the cozy days, summer days, when you don't want to put anything heavy on your tummy. Now, it's okay to lay that right there. Now, let's season our chicken. I'm going to show you what seasonings I'm using. Right? We got the Sazon. Okay? We're going to put that on here. Because it's not going to hurt anything. And we're going to use Jamaican jerk seasoning. I'm going to put that on there. You don't really need a lot of seasoning. We're going to put a little garlic powder. Just like that. We're going to use a little black pepper. Just like that. Well, every now and then, I put a little meat tenderizer on my food. Just like that. And guess what, fam? We got the jerk mouth seasoning. You say, now when that going to come into play? Periodically throughout the cooking, right? So, we're going to go ahead and stir this up, mix it up, and I'll be back. So, as you see, we got our onions cooking, right? So, now our next thing is we're going to import the chicken. Now, the reason why the chicken is going in now is because it takes longer. And it's not going to burn up our bell peppers because you want to cook on medium heat, right? So as you cook, you will see that everything is going to come together. Now, I went to a restaurant and, did I? Okay. Oh, I'm sorry, y'all. I done shook y'all. I went to a restaurant and I had this, but I had it in a wrap. And, yeah, baby, when I tell you it was good eats, it was good to eat. So I wanted to share this because I know how to create this. But don't get me wrong, I'm a good cook, right? So we're going to go ahead and we're going to let our chicken cook and do its thing. And when it gets to some point, because I'm not going to really like cook it all to get, cook it all the way you know, but enough to where I can submerge my collard greens. Y'all, this is going to be a good meal right here. I'm telling you, you better share this video with any and everyone. Let them know what your girl is doing on this channel, because I like keto recipes, keto meals every now and then. Yes, I do. And anybody can enjoy this. I promise you. I promise you. It makes good comfort food. To me, it's a Southern food. You know, hey. You tell me your opinion. Is it Southern? I don't know. But anywho, we're going to go ahead and get into this video. So as you can see, fam, we have our chicken nicely halfway cooked. Because it only take a minute or two or three. Okay. But anywho, so we got us some steam down in here from our greens. I mean, not greens. But we're going to submerge the greens on in here. We're going to... Yes, we're going to just... Carter, lower your voice.
No. You can't be. Oh my God.
We're going to mix these greens up in here the best way we can.
So crazy.
And yeah, that's what we're going to do. So, yeah, we're going to mix them on up in here. We're going to let them cook on down, right? Because this is what we got to do.
Yes, I would love to see it.
Yes, so we're going to mix these greens right on down in here, right? And I'm not going to add all the seasonings that I used before, because I don't want to over-season it. Because you over-season it, you can't take it out, okay? So we're going to go ahead and season this up with a little more.
What? Oh my God.
Y'all, they won't let me be great.
Oh, girl. That's no good.
Sesame. We're going to season that on up again. And, y'all, hold on. I got to look at him. Okay, so we finna finish stirring this up. I'm sorry about the interruption. Because I know that big collard green video, baby, them people tore myself up. And well, not really, because I cracked up on that. You know. Because it's the truth. I'm one of them old school moms. One of them old ladies. Okay. Okay, so we're going to let that cook on down, right? And then we got one more ingredient that I'm going to add. So, fam, we have let the greens cook down somewhat. But it's time to add my jerk seasoning. Can you see it? My jerk seasoning. So, I'm going to add me just a spoonful, just like that. And a half a spoonful, just like that. And we're going to add this right on into here to make this delish. Now, if you never tried this recipe, try it. Because it is good. Now, the sandwich, let's go back to the sandwich I had, right? It was a whole collard green leaf, right? And it had the jerk seasoning. And it had everything that I added in here. Everything, right? So I figured, why not make it a one-pan meal? It was something different, something new, because I always like to enjoy mouth-watering food with you guys. So you said, now what is you going to have with it? I don't know. But I wanted to bring this to you guys. Because sometimes I just like to pick the chicken, you know. So when it came to the greens, I didn't want a lot of them. But I always had chicken and greens. And so, yeah, this is a creative meal. Let me know if you cooked it before. Because I like to test the waters on how to make a certain meal, right? Test the waters. Now we're going to let it cook on down. I felt like eating light today, you guys.
Oh my
Okay,
God.
so fam.
Have you learned nothing? Nothing. You learned nothing at all.
Whew. Yes, guys, you see the juice is thickening up. So yeah, I just want to cook it on down to the juice thicken up. And yeah, this will complete this easy recipe on how to cook collard greens.
I don't care.
Recipe? Or collard greens and chicken, I don't know. But anyway, tell me how you like this video. Share this video with everyone. Let them know what your girl is doing on this channel. Tell me what you want, you know, in the comments. Because, guys, this is a keto-friendly recipe. So you will enjoy this if you love a keto meal. Yes, look at there. Now, I want to taste it for you guys. Now, I'm going to have to admit, ain't no need me really grabbing no pieces of collard green, but I am. Because I already know what it tastes like. Okay, so these collard greens didn't take much at all to cook this whole complete meal. So we're just going to go ahead and we're going to take out our some just like this. I don't need a lot. Just want to mix it up, right? As you guys see, you get the first bite. How it tasting? Okay, good. So your girl, let's go in here. Mmm. Hot. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. It has the perfect amount of seasoning. Mm. That spice kick. You don't need any hot sauce unless you really want that spice. But this is an easy go around meal, perfect diet. So share this recipe, you guys. Until next time, enjoy cooking, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.